Hi, this is Kristen from Lily Beth Boutique, here to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a jig for the Sunflower Daisy stamp set. Now, I do already have all of my stamps lined up in there, but you will be able to see how I'm able to do this step by step in placing your stamps. It's really quite easy. The cardstock I'm using is an A2 size cardstock. Mine's cut a little wonky from the office supply store, so in creating this jig, I needed to make sure it fit a wonky card. But if you have a nice square cardstock, you won't have any problems whatsoever. I will start stamping my first image using the soft lilac from Altenew. And I'm always starting in the bottom left corner, bottom right corner, and I'm going to continue to turn my card clockwise. That way, I'm always doing the same thing, and I'm not having to guess what my next move is. When I put my cardstock into my MISTI, I push it down and then over toward the corner, not toward the side, but toward the corner. It gives you just a better fit of your cardstock in there. My second stamp was then lined up and then attached to the MISTI, which I just did with the lavender fields. Again, I turned my card another quarter turn clockwise, make sure that my stamp is in the correct location or set my stamp at that point, and then stamped my third image with deep iris. Now, because my stamps are a little bit large, I wasn't able to continue that turn of that quarter turn. So I moved my cardstock up so that it was in the far corner, then attached my fourth layer using the Midnight Violet and stamped that image. Now for the daisy center part, again, I'm just doing that quarter turn clockwise, and I'm starting with my lightest color of my center and stamping that down, and I'm wiping with these chamois, which is an absolute godsend. There's no more debris on my stamps anymore using these, and I highly recommend them. You can get them on Amazon. I know Lawn Fawn also has some. And again, I'm continuing to do my quarter turn, and then this last one will, when I stamp it, will be the final stamp. It really does go very quickly, and if you set up a jig like this, you can crank out hundreds of these suckers. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy stamping.